Hi viewers, welcome to our channel the Climax International. We are uploading tech-related products frequently. In this video you will find 3D printer X1 carbon combo high-speed multicolor support 16 colors printer RAL driver with LAN WAN Dual Printing DIY for home and school printing size 10.0787 by 10.0787 by 10.0787 inches. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. AI first layer detection, no want to wait. LIDAR and AI gadget will routinely discover the print exceptional of the primary layer. Built-in LIDAR automates key steps inside the printing process, nozzle top detection, extrusion float calibration, and primary layer scanning deliver limitless opportunities for clever printing. When printing with X1, you could pick out clean to peel guide substances to effortlessly clear up the hassle of getting rid of helps. The X1's superior structural layout and high-quality thermal managed generation permits computer 3D printing to interrupt via the restrictions of traditional consumables. It makes printing clean and reliable. Ithas been assembled, debugged, calibrated and examined earlier than shipment. Cloud printing anytime, anywhere. X1 helps each PC and cellular customers for LAN printing, one cloud printing, or offline printing through SD card at the same time as off-grid. Now that X1 helps 3MF layout via way of means of default, you could now manipulate your complete undertaking on one cloud. Carbon fiber bolstered nylon with excessive strength, excessive temperature resistance and excessive put-on resistance is the primary preference for structural parts. Nylon, tough, self-lubricating nylon is the primary preference for transmission parts. Diversified plastic multi-cloth matrix to address numerous environments. The one-of-a-kind modes simply regulate the acceleration and pace inside the unique G-code in line with a positive scale factor, and the silent mode makes use of the smallest acceleration and pace scale factor. Technical details brandishing Y material PC, plastic color multicolor product dimensions 17.9 x 15.3 inches wide by 15.3 inches high supported file format 3MF.